Hey, man, I send my grandson.
I'm Masicka.
That's a grandfather.
I want to show you badness working in my time.
Yeah.
We do things different.
Hold on then. This I get that something the vibe. What is the name? The convo vibe there. Like a governor do. Or the client convo vibe there. Like what name? Gold God do. Me a care per hour. Run through do.
Watch your style. I'm going to show you how to deal with people.
Sing about them all.
You hear that? Look here. I inform them, I saw them talk plenty.
Yeah. What's up YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. And we're here with another reaction video for you guys. Now we have Masicka Grandfather official music video. Let me see this man with grey hair and a bag of chips. Me I say, hold on, they on the cover work. And Masicka, think about it. You do like Masicka with grey hair, you know? You know, we don't watch videos them, we don't to the audience them until we do the reaction. So we're gonna jump in there right now. Our first time I pre this. People like the video, gonna consider subscribing to the channel if you all are new for the most lit music with the reactions that under the right place. And comment on this video to see your comment over here so the next video I'm gonna post. I'm gonna see what I'm going for Masicka right now. Road to 10K is real. Run through. Alright. Wake up yard. Softball. Alright, man pan ends, alright. Alright, them set the mood, them set the tone and everything else so what go on, you know. You know when they live at the ghetto, right, brother? You know, so when they're in trouble by one ball. You see me, I can't, you know, I chat about that sport. Right, true, not chat things here, man. Start chatting reaction. Start the ball chatting them sometime.
Hey, man, I send my grandson.
I'm Masicka.
That's a grandfather.
I want to show you badness working in my time.
Yeah.
We do things different.
Hold on then. This I get that something the vibe. What is the name? The convo vibe there. Like a governor do. Or the client convo vibe there. Like what name? Gold God do. Me a care per hour. Run through do.
Watch your style. I'm going to show you how to deal with people.
Sing about them all.
You hear that? Look here. I inform them, I saw them talk plenty.
Yeah.
Lift up the belly of the beast, so can we half cent.
Yeah.
Make a juvie bust him at the belly past 20.
Yeah.
Mine's a rip up your Gucci, bust up your dark fin.
Yeah.
We full of metal like a welder, we know the carpentry.
Alright, you see me,
All
I'm going to come on all for doing badness. So you can't manage them because you're smaller than them. Make a little one kill him, make a juvenile kill him. We only pass, we let him pass 20. We went back in a channel a bit man and so what Masicka say, I call him governor because the governor do them kind of video. Them kind of tune then. Run through so much excellent for the command there so. Them show this little command that the rank them go do no. But all me happy is Grandpa Masicka in the building. Yes, Grandpa Masicka in the building. It fit him. Grandpa Masicka, yeah. It's a good look. But grandpa, say little grandfather them love chatting on that. And they come teach little man them be a madness, you know. But yo, when they grow up, you know you be like so grandfather they love going in the dark. But run through and chat about that.
nobody can.
Hold on. This get from bad to worse, man. Masicka go in the bag, I think man say grandson. We not buy a shot to waste. What is going on here? And then they say grandma where did I wake up the yard so nice and pleasant, you know. Go for the break and roll up back, you know. Grandma? No, sir. I want to go on here, sir. No, man. Something is going on here. But what are talking about all of that are? Run tune.
In the place, I think going down.
The man put in little man give him a little carb, but hold on the dog. Dog. It's bad. This is the only gun one then. So what, the scamming one. And we have part 1 and part 2 for the girl them from Govidan. And the scamming one from Gold God. Why me can't remember Gold God name? Jano Star. You did me I say? And now we have the bad man one. You know let's better with Masicka because last week I reacted to Vibes Cartel Lyricist part 1 to 3 little series of Maz up on channel. I'm start do recently. This week I do freaky girl and them girl if you never know. Just I say. But So I tell me for react to one of film long time freestyle them. I don't remember what name. From in that 2012, 2010 them time there. When you just see that come out. Now gun when Masicka do straight gun song. But run through not talk about that.
Load up the clip and keep your shoes on. Before you bust ahead, just a two song. I know you will forgive you for your few can.
Yeah.
Say them a try bad, but it lukewarm. Them a cartoon, no murder, Jerry shoot them. All this, me no put strap in a fool palm. Go and run it off for me, I'm granny son.
Bombona! Be a blank. Hold on, don't be light on it. Hold on, no, don't be light on it. No, dog. That bad. No, dog. Bumbleclad. Yo! It's not even a light. It's a light. It's a light. Come on, go say, I read again. Look at 9. Bumbleclad. Masicka. How you find that one there? That one there, but people, if you rate that one, give me 10,000 likes on that video. And be here for emoji in the comment section and subscribe to the channel for no new. We are cherish 10,000 subscribers. That's the aim, that's the goal for this year. And we're gonna deal with it with God's help and phone help too. Run out. I'm out.